Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, August 15th, and this is my recap of the top 8 videos of the day. And the Euro US dollar came in number 1 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So, pretty big push down on the euro dollar, especially compared to most dollar pairs at the unemployment rate news today. But what ended up happening is it pretty much did respect the Fibonacci level. It really couldn't go below that much. The trend is definitely up on the higher time frames. I'm still expecting we're in a big wave 3 on the weekly, and if that is true, then this probably is going to continue to make higher highs, higher lows. If it does anything besides make higher highs, higher lows, like break structure to the downside or make 3 waves up and pulse it down, then you probably should stop looking for longs at least temporarily. Otherwise, I personally, as a swing trader, am definitely still continuing to look for longs at all pullbacks I see. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.